Hey guys, so I'm gonna share a secret I generally use to get the best prices on any item, alibaba.com. Signing up on alibaba.com is really easy. All you need to do is click join free, enter your email address, do the verification thingy, agree to this stuff, and click next. You'll then get a verification email which will take you to the registration page to fill out the rest of the information. Once you're done, you're officially an Alibaba member. You can then search for an item you're interested in and either contact the seller or place an order. It's that easy.